Hey Luke, give us a tutorial. How are you feeling about the wedding?
Feeling pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm the best there is.
Yeah. But what about Megan
I wake
and
up
Dan?
in the morning, I piss excellence. I don't know, do my hands. That's about all I got to say.
Cool.
And go Dan and
Hello. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Dan's younger, smarter, and better looking brother. I'm so glad for Dan and Megan today. Who would have thought we ever would have seen Dan get married? But if you'd have known him 5 years ago, yeah, this day it's a good day for Dan.
The first time we met Dan as a family, it was the not-so-sober Sunday as Oktoberfest. Dan quickly became acclimated with the family when our dad referred to him as Lardass in reference to his rather hefty birth weight. But don't worry, we just call him Dan now. Dan, you truly have been a great addition to our family. You're able to make Megan laugh when no one else can and encourage her to do what makes her happy. We held some pretty high expectations for Megan's future husband, and I think you hit the mark on all of them. A little weird, a lot supportive, and an unending love for Sunday Fun Day. However, we're still working on accepting the Steiner in you. All joking aside, we wish you two nothing but years of love and happiness. You are the perfect example of what love should look like. We love you as a couple and cannot wait to see what the future has in store for you. So if everyone would join us in raising their glasses to toast the new Mr. and Mrs. Fort Camp.